So if you want to stay consistent here on YouTube or any social media out there, you need to have a strategy. You need to have a plan, a content creation plan where you know what video you're going to do, you know when you're going to release it, and you know all those details. In fact, when you have multiple videos together, it allows you to do something that is called batch content, and you can record multiple different videos, and essentially it's going to allow you to work faster. One of the key components that I have in order for me to do that is my Google Calendar. And I'll tell you, without this, I'd be lost because I do have multiple different channels. I do stream in multiple different places as well. And again, remembering all this is just impossible, right? You got to stay organized, and Google Calendars are a fantastic way for you to do that. And the best thing about it is that it's free. So I'm going to give you a quick look here so you can have an idea what I do, right? And essentially, I have a calendar just for my content creation. I have one for my family as well, but this is shit for me. So let me give you an idea of this week. This is the week that is passing. Today is Friday the 2nd, and essentially you see some of the videos that I posted to the Content Creator Tool channel right here, right? I post those videos 08, so you always see them in this line right here. That kind of remind me because I have multiple channels. Now, 12 o'clock, I've been posting motorcycle videos as well. So for example, today I crashed his motorcycle. It's going to be coming out at 12, and again, I posted one here on the 29th. I also posted one on the 30th. And these blue ones right here are other videos that I do on Amazon and things like that, as well as some of the live streams that I've done in Amazon. Now, today is Friday. Like I say, I'm working on the following videos. And if I go to the next week, you could kind of see that right there, right? So I already have a video scheduled for the motorcycle channel right here. And I do have 2 videos already scheduled and done on the Content Creator Tool channel. Now, I want to post more than 2 videos, so I'm going to continue to work on this channel. But again, if I want to kind of take a break, I know that I have 2 videos and I know where they go. So usually what I do, guys, is that I come here into my calendar and I see what I got going on, and I see my videos ideas, and I actually have another place where I write the videos idea, and once I record them, I'll put them here in the channel so I can consistently know what I got going on and what I'm working on, and it allows me to be organized. Now, I only post 4 to 5 videos in the Content Creator Tool channel. So once I'm done with the week, then I could go into the following weeks, and then I could start working on that. So that is critical because once again, it allows you to work ahead. It allows you to be consistent. So for example, if I'm going to post a video right here, right on the 6th, what I do is that I put the name, obviously, test, and then usually I have the same color for the channel that I have. On this channel, I usually utilize this color, right? I could put the time that I'm going to release it. I could put a description if I want to, and I just click save, and I know I have a video schedule. Right now, you could do this however you want to. Just keep in mind it's going to be your decision how you want to do it. You could have it color coded, you could have it with different numbers and stuff, but again, seeing what you got going on the month, on the week, is going to allow you to work so much more. If I come here to the month, you could kind of see some of the videos that I have posted here in some of the channels. So again, lots of videos, as you can see right here. For example, here, Prime Day, some other things that I had going on that I knew that it was going to be a big component. So as I look at my work schedule, I know that on the 11th and the 12th of October, that was Prime Day. So definitely I needed to allocate time for that. But you can see all the videos that I have posted. You can see everything that I'm working. And again, it allows you to be very, very consistent. So for example, today, Friday the 2nd, I'm hoping to pretty much be done with the Content Creator Tool channel, and that's going to allow me to work in a couple more videos from my motorcycle channel and a couple other projects I got going on. I got to tell you, Google Calendar is free. It doesn't cost you any money, and it's going to be so good for your content creation strategy. Let me know what you think. We'll see you in the next one.